Good morning, students. Let's learn something about digestion, the alimentary canal, the digestive organs, and their functions. The alimentary canal. The food that we eat is digested in our body. Substances that can mix with the blood, they are formed from the food. Process takes place in different parts of a long and flexible tube inside our body. This tube is called as the alimentary canal. The upper end of the tube is the mouth and the lower end is called as the anus. Even if there is a continuous tube going from the mouth to the anus, the shape of this tube is not same in all its parts. The different parts of the alimentary canal, they have different structures and functions. These different parts are called as the digestive organs. Certain glands outside the alimentary canal, they assist the process of digestion. Digestive organs. The process of digestion begins as soon as the food is taken into the mouth. The teeth, tongue and saliva, they help to convert food into a soft, moist ball. This is called as bolus, which is easy to swallow. The bolus passes through the esophagus into the stomach. The digestive juices in the stomach, they bring about some digestive processes. At the same time, some disease-producing germs in the food, they are also destroyed. The food changes into a thin slurry in the stomach. Then it passes into the small intestine. The small intestine of an adult is about 7 meters long. The digestive juices in the intestine, they bring about several digestive processes. The secretions of some glands, they help the process of digestion. As a result of this digestive processes, certain substances are produced. The remaining substances, they pass into the large intestine. The large intestine of an adult is about 1.5 meters long. Here, much of the water in the remaining substance is absorbed into the body, and what remains are the feces or stools. The feces collects in the rectum for some time. Later on, they are expelled from the body through the anus. Let's learn something new. A sufficient quantity of water is necessary for the processes of digestion to take place properly, as well as for the food to keep moving through the alimentary canal. If one does not drink enough water, one becomes constipated. That is, one passes hard stool or does not even pass it regularly. None of the other tasks in the body can go on without water. The water that is absorbed during digestion is the water that is used for all other processes in our body. That is why it is important to drink adequate quantities of water regularly. The upper ends of both the esophagus and the windpipe, they open in the throat next to each other. When food is swallowed, the windpipe remains closed. But when we eat in a hurry, the food may enter the windpipe and it causes us to choke on it. That is the reason why we must not eat in a hurry.